Hi, my name is Joelle Andrews, and I'm going to be doing Hermia's monologue from A Midsummer Night's Dream. Thank you. Help me, Lysander, help me. Do thy best to pluck this crawling serpent from my breast. Ay me, for pity, what a dream was here. Lysander, look how I do quake with fear. Methought a serpent ate my heart away, and you sat smiling at its cruel prey. Lysander? What removed? Lysander, Lord. What? Out of hearing gone? No sound, no word? Alack! Speak, and if you hear, speak of all loves. I swoon, almost with fear. No? Then I well perceive you are not nigh. Either death or you I will find immediately.